In this video, I'm going to show you how to install, configure, and test DHCP Server in Windows Server 2016. We have finished installation and configuration of DHCP services. Now it's time to test. I have 3 client machines. One is Windows 7, one is Ubuntu, and one is Windows XP. Currently, all of these machines are set to get IP address from a DHCP server. So let's check their IP addresses. Windows XP has the IP address 192.168.182.129. The Ubuntu machine got the IP address 192.168.182.130. And finally, Windows 7 got the IP address 192.168.182.128. As you can see, the IP addresses assigned to these 3 client machines are not within the range that we defined in our DHCP server. That means these client machines got the IP addresses from somewhere else. There must be a DHCP server running somewhere in the system. In fact, VMware Workstation runs a DHCP server by default You can find it by opening the menu Edit and then Virtual Network Monitor. And select the host only network, and you will find a DHCP server running. Here you can see the DHCP server is assigning IP addresses from the network address 192.168.182.0. So let's turn off the DHCP server that is running in VMware Workstation. Also, currently there is no DHCP IP lease in our DHCP server. So let's reset the networks of all these three machines so that they get a new IP address from a DHCP server. After resetting the networks, let's check what IP addresses did these client machines got. Windows 7 machine got the IP address 172.16.0.60. If we check the IP address range of the address pool that we defined in our DHCP server, you can see that it starts from 172.16.0.60. So the Windows 7 machine got the IP address from our DHCP server. Let's check the address leases, and we can see that one address has been leased, and that is 172.16.0.60. Now let's reset the network of the Ubuntu machine and check what IP address does it get. You see the new IP address the Ubuntu machine got is 172.16.0.61. Let's go back to the server. It leased 172.16.0.61. Now let's go to Windows XP machine and reset the network. And you can see the new IP address this Windows XP machine got is 172.16.0.62. Now let's go back to our DHCP server and check the IP address list, and you can see that 172.16.0.62 has been leased to the Acer machine, which is Windows XP. So in conclusion, we found that the DHCP server is working. All the three client machines got IP addresses from the DHCP server. Thank you.